Hi, my name is Sophia and I am a Year 1 student studying Business Administration. My day in RC4 always starts off with some breakfast. There is always an assortment of pastries and muffins to choose from, and sometimes there are also meal enhancements, where we get small treats like Yakult and egg tarts. Today, I'm having a croissant and a latte from the grab and go station at our dining hall.
Hi, my name is Marcus and I'm a Year 1 student studying Data Science and Analytics. I wake up pretty early. I mean, that's what I tell myself. I make myself feel productive by doing laundry even though I barely have any clothes to wash.
Now, I'm going to attend one of my classes at NUS Business School. To get there from RC4, I have to take the internal shuttle bus, and it's about a 10-minute walk to the U-Town bus stop. There is a fully sheltered route from RC4 to the bus stop, which makes it really convenient.
Okay, right now I'm doing actual productive stuff. As you can see, I'm typing really fast, and that's like me being super productive. Now I'm going to attend a senior seminar class conducted within RC4. All students in RC4 will have to read the Utah College program, which includes 1 junior and 2 senior seminar classes in RC4. RC4's curriculum is centered around systems thinking, which helps students break down complex problems and think of solutions without unintended consequences.
RC4 has an expansive range of interest groups, covering sports, arts, lifestyle and community service. I like to play floorball, and RC4 provides me a platform to do that while making new friends. Every semester, the college holds an informal dinner where people dress up according to themes and enjoy good food and performances. There is one taking place today. Let's go check it out.
There is also a chalking event taking place tonight, where you get to draw cute stuff on your friends' doors.
When it comes to RC4, you cannot forget about mahjong. Besides mahjong tables, game consoles and sofas, lounges located at every floor offer a space for me to study and chill with my friends. After a tiring day, we all need a caffeine boost at 9 PM, so we come for coffee sessions. Okay, I'm kidding. The coffee is decaffeinated and making latte art is actually really fun.
Of course, my day in RC4 is never complete without supper. And today, we are headed to the famous NUS supper stretch, a go-to spot after a long day of activities. Every day is a new experience.
Coming to RC4 is one of the best decisions I've made for my university life.
And we hope that it will be the same for you too.
Come visit us at our open house on the 4th of March 2023 to find out more. See you there!